When we were out to eat the other day, we met this couple and they were telling us about this really cool state park that's a little ways off the 101. It's called Shore Acres State Park, and I guess at night from Thanksgiving to maybe New Year's, they have these Christmas lights that are on. So there's like 325,000 lights at the state park. So we're gonna go see the Christmas lights. Hi, my name is Ricky.
My name is Brandon, and welcome to our Lives Unscripted.
We're on our way to the Shore Acres Park, and we found this little park that's open till 5 p.m. that we kind of are hanging out at. We're gonna have some supper here, and then we're gonna go over there. There's our van over there. We have a beautiful sunset and we're cooking some vegan chicken burgers. And we haven't really been able to cook burgers or anything like that because they burn on our pot. So we got this cast iron frying pan and we're seeing if it's gonna work really well or not. You can see it kind of sizzling right now, but I don't know what's going on.
Now we're here at Shore Acres State Park. It was only $5 to get in, and we're gonna come and check out the Christmas light. I think it goes from 4:30 to 8:30 or 9:30.
It's 4 o'clock to 9:30.
Yeah, 4 o'clock to 9:30. And we just got here. It's about 5:30 right now, so it's just getting dark, and we're gonna go. We found a place to park, luckily, because we got here early, and now we're gonna go walk and see if we can take some cool video and photo of the Christmas lights. It's a little weird because there's no Christmas music and everything's ocean themed, but
there's no snow.
And there's no snow. We're not used to not having snow in the winter. But yeah, it's pretty cool. There's kind of like it's in a botanical garden, and then you walk around and you check out the different lights.
We're used to nutcrackers and snowmen and ice skating and what else? Elves.
Just winter things, Christmas things.
It's like all the...
It's a nautical theme.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
But yeah, it's in a botanical garden, so there's lots of different kind of like hidden spots. You like walk around a corner, and then there's like more stuff.
Yeah, I thought it was like really tiny, and then I was like, okay, you keep walking, and then it's like it's bigger.
Yeah, so it's not too bad.
Cool. There's Ricky Raccoon right there, and Donna right there, Peter Cottontail, and Spiky. If you come to Shore Acres Park, then you can like come into this building, and there's like different, like a whole bunch of different Christmas stuff, and you get to see Santa taking a bath. I guess he likes bubble baths.
Yeah, it's a cool little house that's on the gardens, and they have it all decorated for Christmas.
We are now leaving Coos Bay, and we're heading back on the 101. So this is the farthest we've driven on the 101 so far. I think we're gonna head to Gold Beach, which is never known.
70 miles.
Yeah.
If you come to Bandon, Oregon, make sure you come to Face Rock Viewpoint. It's really pretty here. We got up early today and we're just doing some travel in the morning. We stopped here, the sun's rising and it's lighting up all the cool rock formations behind me. We almost were tempted to just drive through and make our way to Gold Beach, but we forced ourselves, or I forced Ricky to drive through the old town, and then we saw this park on the map, and we just decided to stop here randomly. Yeah, don't miss it if you are just driving through Bandon. It's super pretty.
Brandon, what did you find?
I found my trusty boomerang on the beach.
Are you good at throwing boomerangs?
This one's too heavy. I can't pick it up with my shadow.
Try picking it up.
Can't do it. Here's my office for the day. So where I'll be working for a few hours. Ricky's over there. You can see her through the window there. She's cooking some lunch for us. And I'm just getting a few hours of work in. And so we just found a nice spot here today on the beach. And I'm just sitting in the van with the solar panels charging for a change, getting a lot of sun, and just enjoying the nice weather and getting some work done. Found a pretty nice spot for cooking lunch.
Yeah, look at the view. You want to see what we're cooking? It's not onion soup, it's potato onion soup, but it looks like onions.
We got some potatoes, onions, and some seasonings. We have some potatoes that we need to cook. We haven't been able to cook in like a month.
It's so nice out right now.
Because it's been raining every day.
Okay, what's going on?
So, I don't know if anyone else has had this experience at Walmart, but we just like woke up to a ton of sirens. And at first we were like, oh, maybe there's like some cops in the parking lot or something. But then it was just like ridiculous, like sirens like you'd hear at a parade. And we're like, what is going on? So I was like, okay, that is enough sirens to pique my interest. So I like get up and I look out front, and when I come to the front of the window, we're like blocked in with caution tape. So we're in the middle of this exclusion zone in the Walmart parking lot. And then all these like fire trucks and police officers and what else we got here? Park rangers and all kinds of like emergency vehicles are all in this like park section of the Walmart parking lot that we just so happened to park in overnight. So we're like, what the heck? And then I look out the front window, and there's like people with phones and like everyone filming it. And then I was like, oh my gosh, we're in like a parade or something. I don't know. But yeah, so we woke up at Walmart, and we just so happened to park in the only spot of the lot that's like closed. They closed like 2 rows of parking, and we just parked in that spot overnight, which is kind of hilarious. Yeah.
So if you're ever at Walmart, make sure that you don't park when there's like a parade.
Yeah.
Because you'll get stuck in the parade or the event, whatever it is.
Yeah, I don't know. It was really weird. I've never seen anything like this. So now we're going to go to Walmart and see what's going on. So we went into Walmart to investigate why we woke up with police and fire people all around us. And it looks like it's a Christmas thing where they're shopping with kids and wrapping presents. So it's a holiday thing to give presents to people, I guess. And yeah, that's why we woke up with like sirens blazing everywhere.